You can leverage automation in your e-commerce email marketing. How can you do that? Number one, you can send out welcome emails to your customers and you can introduce them to your products and brands. Number two, you can send out abundant cart recovery emails to your customers by reminding them about that particular product that they have left behind in the basket by providing them offers and incentives. Number three, you can also take a look at their past purchasing behavior and behavior patterns, purchasing patterns, and you can go ahead and conduct cross-selling and upselling by sending relevant emails. You can also segment your customers, go ahead and conduct post-purchase email series. You can also try to re-engage the inactive contacts by sending out emails in this way. You can also send emails with regards to seasonal promotions or events. Apart from this, you have to continuously A/B test your emails to find out the better version. By doing these, you will probably optimize the use of automation in your e-commerce email strategy by converting more leads into customers.